guys, this is Sam down here at Cars Equipment. Today I have a used 2020 Polaris RZR 900. As you can see, this machine is the 900 base model, but it does have an S kit. This machine has a lot of accessory, comes with your front bumper, front winch. It does have an S kit from Super ATV, so it has Super ATV A-arms, has Rhino axles. On the inside, you can see it does have a full enclosure on the inside. It does have ride command. It's got a rear view mirror, it's got a glass windshield, it's got a wiper. This thing is loaded, and you'll never guess how many miles this thing has. Less than 200. On the inside, you did see the kicker speakers. I had those on my side-by-side, amazing speakers. On the back here, it does have your extended ROPS for your roll cage, your pod lights. It's got a storage box right here. It even has your whip lights. And there's an accessory to have American flags on there too. Like I said, this thing has just under 200 miles. And no, I am not kidding. So come down to Cars Equipment, check this machine out, and be the next owner for this machine.